This week on Sustainable Sunday, we're making our own laundry detergent.
We're going completely plastic free with a couple of basic ingredients. We have a laundry booster, a 20 Mule Team Borax, and a Fells Naphtha laundry bar and stain remover. And then we also have a recycled container just to keep our product in once we make it. Now, a couple of these products can be eye irritants, so if you're working with children, make sure you get on your safety gear. There's a lot of different recipes out there online, but most of them are just 1-to-1 ratios. So we're going to use 1 box of each of these with 1 bar of soap.
We figured out that this activity is better done outside than inside.
Just use a regular laundry scoop or a measuring spoon, find out exactly how much you need for each load, and you're ready to go.